Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the data analysis ready. Remove merged cells, ensure one variable per column, and add a clear header row. Once done, convert the range to an Excel table so charts update automatically when new rows arrive. Make sure dates are true dates, numbers are numeric, and percentages use percent format. Otherwise, Excel misinterprets axes. Use simple validation or find and replace to fix common issues, and save a backup copy before you change formats so you can revert if needed. Now you pick the right chart and map your fields. For trends, choose line. For comparisons, use column or bar. For relationships, pick scatter. Once the chart is created, place fields into axis, legend, and values. Drag from the table or pivot field list so categories and series display correctly. If you need aggregation, create a pivot table and then a pivot chart and add slicers for quick filtering. While building, check for too many categories. Consolidate or bin data so the visual remains readable and meaningful to your audience. Finish by refining. Format axes, set number formats, and add data labels only where they add value. If two series have different magnitudes, assign one to a secondary axis and explain it in the axis label. Use a consistent color palette, remove chart junk, and write a clear title that states the insight. If something goes wrong, no data shown, or strange values, check the table range, confirm numeric formats, and clear any hidden filters. That usually resolves issues quickly and keeps your visualization accurate and trustworthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.